Good morning, students. Exercise 3.5, sixth problem. If a plus b is equal to 45 degree, show that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. See, what is given? A plus b is equal to 45 degree. So, you apply tan on both the sides. Tan a plus b is equal to tan 45 degree. You know the trigonometry identity of tan a plus b. So that is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. What is tan 45 degree? That is equal to 1. So you take this denominator and if you multiply with 1, the answer is 1 minus tan a tan b. What will be in the numerator? That is tan a plus tan b. So bring this term minus tan a tan b to the left side. But you will get plus tan a tan b. So tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b is equal to 1. So from the given result, we arrived at this result. So you just call this as 1. And take the results what we have to prove. What we have to prove? 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Okay, you consider that result and you just multiply the two terms. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into tan b is tan b. Tan a into 1 is tan a plus tan a into tan b. You see that tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b. What we have written? We have written it is equal to 1. So instead of this, the sum of these three terms, so from the result 1, we can write this as 1. So what is 1 plus 1? That is equal to 2. Okay, see the important result. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2 if a plus b is equal to 45 degree. So we have proved the sixth problem. So using this result, we are going to prove the seventh problem. Sorry, using the result, sixth result, we are going to prove the seventh problem. Prove that 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 3 degree, etc. into 1 plus tan 44 degree is a multiple of 4. So it's a multiple of 4. If you want to prove, you can write 4 into something, we can bring it. Okay, see that, take the term first, 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 3 degree, etc. into 1 plus tan 44 degree. Okay, you take the first term and the last term. You just multiply together. You just write together. What is the first term? 1 plus tan 1 degree. What is the last term? 1 plus tan 44 degree. So, it is in the form of 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. And you see the sum of these two angles, 1 plus 44 degree. What is 1 plus 44 degree? That is 45 degree. So, in the sixth problem, what the result we have proved? If a plus b is equal to 45 degree, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Okay, so here I am going to group the term, first term and the last term. Okay, and the addition of the angle is 45 degree. You take the second term and the last before term. Okay, 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 43 degree, because here the last term is 1 plus tan 44 degree, means the previous term definitely it is 1 plus tan 43 degree. Okay, I have written these four terms. What will be the next one? If you consider the next term, 1 plus tan 3 degree, so it has to be multiplied with, it has to be combined with 1 plus tan 42 degree. So 3 degree plus 42 degree is 45 degree. So like that, etc. it goes on. So from this result, so the product of the first and the second term is 2. And the same way, the product of the third and the fourth term is 2. Okay, so here, how many terms here you are having? Starting from 1 degree to 44 degree. Totally you will have 44 terms. Yes or no? So 44 terms, if you combine two terms together, we will get totally 22 terms. So 2 into 2 into 2 etc. up to 22 times we have to multiply. So that can be written as 2 power 22. Okay. So 2 power 22 can be written as 2 squared the whole power 11. What is 2 squared? That is 4. 4 to the power 11 definitely is just a multiple of 4. So the product of the given term is a multiple of 4. Okay. So see now the next one will go to the problem number. What is that? 8. So it is prove that tan pi by 4 plus theta minus tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 2 tan 2 theta. Take the first result, tan pi by 4 plus theta. So it's a trigonometry identity of tan alpha plus beta. In the place of alpha, you are having pi by 4. In the place of beta, you are having theta. So it is tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So what is tan pi by 4? It is 1. 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus, what is tan pi by 4? It is 1. 1 into tan theta. In the same way, take the second term. Tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So here, tan a plus b identity you have used. Here you have to use the a minus b identity. So what has to come? Tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So in the place of tan pi by 4 you have to write. So it is 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So we have found the first term and the second term. What you have to do? You have to do the subtraction. So the first term answer I have written here. And the second term is 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. In between you have to write minus. Okay, you have to take LCM. So what will be the LCM? 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta. So this numerator has to be multiplied with 1 plus tan theta. And this term numerator has to be multiplied with 1 minus tan theta. So 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta is 1 plus tan theta the whole square. In the same way, if you multiply, it is 1 minus tan theta the whole square. Okay. See now, see how it is in the numerator. It is in the form of a squared minus b squared. Okay. So I have expanded the, the algebraic identity. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. That identity you can use. Otherwise, it is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So you have to use that expansion. It is in the form of a minus b the whole square. So you can expand this using the a minus b the whole squared formula and you can subtract. So here I have used the algebraic identity a squared minus b squared. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. So this term is your a and this term is your b. So when you add, it is, see that 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta. So next what has to come? A minus b. You see your minus, what is your b? 1 minus tan theta. So if you apply the minus, so it is minus 1 plus tan theta. So for a minus b is, first term I have a is written as it is and the second term the minus has to apply. Okay. So when you apply the minus, it is minus 1 plus tan theta. So a plus b into a minus b divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So see the first term which is getting cancelled. Tan theta and minus tan theta is getting cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 1 minus 1 getting cancelled. Tan theta plus tan theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. You see that 2 you just write as it is and you look at this. It's a trigonometry identity of tan 2 theta. 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan squared a. In the place of a you are having theta. So it is tan 2 theta. So we have proved the problem number 8. And we are coming to the next problem. What is that? It is problem number 9. So cot 7.5 degree is equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. You see that? Cot 7.5 degree is equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6 we have to prove. Okay, take cos 7.5 degree. Cot 7.5 degree. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. So, it is cos 7.5 degree divided by sin 7.5 degree. So, here I am going to multiply and divide by 2 cos 7.5 degree. What is that? 2 cos 7.5 degree. The term cot 7.5 degree can be written as cos 7.5 degree divided by sin 7.5 degree. So I am going to multiply and divide it by 2 cos 7.5 degree. But what will be the numerator? It is 2 cos squared 7.5 degree. And the denominator is 2 into sin 7.5 degree into cos 7.5 degree. So you see that it is in the form of 2 cos squared a. So in the place of a, what you are having? 7.5 degree. So I am going to use the trigonometry identity in multiple angle. Okay, so you know very well, cos 2a can be written as, so cos 2a. Okay, going to use cos 2a, you are having three formula. What is that? Cos 2a, you are having three formula. So one is cos squared a minus sin squared a. Another one is 2 cos squared a minus 1. The third one, 1 minus 2 sin squared a. Here the term you are having is cos squared 7.5 degree. So I am going to use cos 2a is equal to 2 cos squared a minus 1. The 2 cos squared a minus 1, and the minus 1 I have taken to the right side. But what you are getting? 2 cos squared a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a. Okay. In the place of a, now what you are having? You see that 2 cos squared a. So in the place of a, you are having 7.5 degree. So when you apply this formula, it is 1 plus cos 2 into 7.5 degree. Got it clear? So 2 cos squared a can be written as 1 plus cos 2 into 7.5 degree. You look at the denominator, you see that it is in the form of 2 sin a cos a. So it is a double angle identity. So it is the form trigonometry identity of sin 2a. So the denominator can be written as sin 2 into 7.5 degree. Okay. So what is 7.5 degree? 7 2s are 14. Mixed fraction it is there. So we can write 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 by 2 degree. So this 2 and denominator 2 getting cancelled. So you will get here it is 15 degree. So how the numerator will become now? 1 plus cos 15 degree. In the same way, in the denominator, it is 2 into 15 degree by 2. Okay, 2 getting cancelled. It is sin 15 degree. Okay, ma'am. So see that cos 15 degree can be written as cos of 45 degree minus 30 degree. So use the trigonometry identity of what is it? Cos alpha minus beta. So what is cos alpha minus beta? Cos A, cos alpha, cos beta plus sin alpha, sin beta. So in the place of alpha you are having 45 degree. In the place of beta it is 30 degree. So it is cos 45 degree, cos 30 degree plus sin 45 degree, sin 30 degree. So you have to substitute the value. So it is 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. When you multiply, it is root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So if you take LCM, the LCM is 2 root 2. So you have to add the numerator. So it is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So we have found the value of cos 15 degree. So next what you have to find? You have to find sine 15 degree. So what is sine 15 degree? This 15 degree can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree. So it is sine alpha minus beta. So it is sine alpha. So sine 15 degree is equal to 15 degree can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree. So it is in the form of sine of alpha minus beta. So sine 45 degree cos beta, that is cos 60 degree minus cos 45 degree into sine 30 degree. So the values are substituted. So sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So we have found cos 15 degree and sine 15 degree. So we have to find cot 7.5 degree. So what is the result you are having here? 1 plus cos 15 degree divided by sine 15 degree. So you take that 1 plus, what is cos 15 degree? So we have found it as root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is substituted. Divided by, what is that? Sine 15 degree. Sine 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So here in the numerator you have to take LCM. What is the LCM? It is 2 root 2. So here what has to come? 1 into 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1. So in the numerator LCM and the denominator LCM, that is 2 root 2 getting cancelled. So in the denominator you are having root 3 minus 1. So what you have to do? You have to multiply and divide it by their conjugate. So root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So see the denominator, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So that is a squared minus b squared. And you have to multiply the numerator. So 2 root 2 into root 3 is 2 into root 2 into root 3 is root 6. 2 root 2 into 1 is 2 root 2 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into 1 is root 3. So 1 into root 3 also root 3. What is 1 into 1? It is 1. So it is 2 root 6, 2 root 2. You see that now root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. What is 3 plus 1? That is 4. Okay. So in the denominator, what is root 3 the whole square? That is 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? That is 2. So the whole term has to be divided by 2. Take the first term and divide it by 2. The answer is root 6. The next one, root 2. The next one, root 3. You see, 4 divided by 2. That is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay. See what the result we have to prove. Cot 7.5 degree is equal to, you see, you have to prove root 2, root 3, root 4, root 6. You see the term here. So root 2, we don't have root 2 here. It is written root 2. Next one is what? Root 3. And the next term is root 6 is there. But here you are having 2 which is not in the root. So the 2 can be written as root 4. So we have proved the result. Cot 7.5 degree is equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. Okay. Come to the problem number 11. Prove that the question, you see that 32 root 3 sine pi by 48 cos pi by 48 cos pi by 24 cos pi by 12 cos pi by 6. If you multiply all the terms, you will get the answer as 3. Okay, I have taken the result. You see that. First, sine 32 root 3 into sine pi by 48 into cos pi by 48. That term I have considered. In that, I multiply and divided by 2. So, the division 2 I have given to this number and the multiplication 2 I have given to sine pi by 48 and cos pi by 48. So, you know that it is in the form of, what form? 2 sine A cos A. So, what is the trigonometry identity for this? It is sine 2A. If you are having here A, your answer is sine 2A. So here also I have to apply the formula. What is it? Sine 2a. Okay, the sine 2 into pi by 48. So on the 2 48 to cancel panna, what's the answer you are getting? Sine pi by 4. So for these, the 2 into sine pi by 48 and cos pi by 48, the answer is only sine pi by 4. So I combine the along with that term, I have taken cos pi by 4 pi by 24 also. Okay, see now here 32 root 3 divided by 2 is 16 root 3. Then you multiply and divided by 2. Okay, 16 root 3 divided by 2 is 8 root 3. So again the same formula has to be used. So it is in the form of 2 sin A cos A. So what is the answer? Sine 2a. So 2 into pi by 24. So 24 if you cancel, it is pi by 12. Along with this term, you combine the next term. Okay, then you multiply and divided by 2. So 8 root 3 by 2 is 4 root 3. It is in the form of, what form again it is? It is sine 2a. So sine 2 into pi by 12. 2 and 12 getting cancelled. Your answer is pi by 6. And the next term is combined with this. So that's all. Okay, so again what you have to do, you have to multiply and divide it by 2. So what is 4 root 3 by 2? That is 2 root 3. So if you apply the formula, it is in the form of 2 sin A cos A. So the formula is sin 2A, 2 into pi by 6, that is pi by 3. So 2 root 3 and sin pi by 6, sorry, sin pi by 3. What is pi by 3? That is 60 degree. So what is sine 60? It is root 3 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 getting cancelled. So root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3. Thank you, students.